Do you want to turn off quiet mode on Instagram? You can remove quiet mode in Instagram with just a few simple steps. Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to turn off quiet mode on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video. Quiet mode on Instagram is a feature that allows you to temporarily mute notifications from the app for a specified time period. This helps you to reduce interruptions and distractions from notifications, calls, and messages. But it is not good to enable quiet mode always. To turn off quiet mode on Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once Instagram is open, tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. You will see the quiet mode indicator below your profile picture on your profile page. On your Insta profile, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down the menu and locate the notifications option. Tap on it to access more settings. Under the push notifications section, you'll find quiet mode. Tap on it to access its settings. Now, simply tap on the toggle switch button next to quiet mode to turn it off. A pop-up menu will appear. Tap on turn off quiet mode to confirm. And there you have it. Quiet mode is now turned off, and you'll start receiving notifications from Instagram as usual.